chicken Bhuna Masala. One portion is never enough for the family with this absolutely exquisite chicken dish. Welcome back to Bhuna Masala Kitchen. Today we're preparing a classic that's bound to become a favorite at your table. Let's begin by marinating one whole chicken cut into pieces with an array of vibrant spices. Start with a teaspoon each of turmeric, fiery red chili powder, and the subtly warm Kashmiri red chili powder. Add a tablespoon each of fine salt and fragrant dhania jeera and a quarter teaspoon of aromatic aniseed powder. Add 2 tablespoons of garam masala and 1 tablespoon each of our aromatic garlic and ginger paste. In a splendidly heated pan, add a quarter cup of oil and bring it to a high temperature. Once the oil is hot, add 2 finely chopped onions. We're going to be cooking this dish mostly on a high to medium temperature. Fry these onions until they are beautifully translucent and just beginning to caramelize. This will take about 10 minutes. Onions are the cornerstone of this dish, providing a deep, rich base of flavor. Halfway through, add 2 green chilies with slits to impart their gentle heat. If you prefer a milder flavor, you can remove the seeds. Once the onions have reached our desired golden hue, it's time to introduce 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Add them to the pan and fry them with the onions for about 5 minutes, until the tomatoes have mostly softened and melded with the onions and oil, creating a rich, aromatic base. Now it's time to add our marinated chicken. Make sure to scrape in all the marinade, leaving no spice behind. We're going to fry the chicken with the tomatoes and onions continuously for 15 minutes. This process is known as bhuna, which means to fry. It's the key to building deep, complex flavors in the dish. Periodically, cover the pan with a lid and reduce the heat to medium to ensure the chicken cooks evenly. The goal is to fry the chicken with the onions and tomatoes until the flavors meld together beautifully. There's no need to add any water in this recipe. The onions, tomatoes and chicken will release their own succulent juices. We'll cover the pan, lower the heat to medium and let it cook for a few minutes, repeating this process about 4 times. It should only take about 15 minutes to cook the chicken, but this may vary slightly depending on the size of your pieces. If you're using chicken breast, 10 minutes should suffice. Now that our chicken Bhuna Masala is ready, you'll see the oil has risen to the top, a sign that it's cooked to perfection. The color is absolutely stunning, and the aroma is divine. To finish, sprinkle over some fresh kasuri methi and a generous amount of freshly chopped coriander. These final touches will lift the dish, adding a burst of freshness and an additional layer of flavor. We've prepared this sumptuous dish within 30 minutes, quicker than it would take to order from a delivery app. Plus, we have the added comfort of knowing exactly what has gone into our meal. All fresh, high-quality ingredients, nothing sitting on a counter for hours. This dish is best served with warm naan or some fragrant basmati rice. Thank you for joining me once again. Happy cooking!